SB. Ayan, it's Monday today and I received a box from one of the Filipino vlogger here in the Netherlands. She decluttered her makeup room and she decided to give away all the makeups that she collected through the years, used and unused. So these are all free love from her, but then I can still use it. We can still use it. Who doesn't like free makeup, right? And please check her channel. Ayan, Chelsea Amin Fashion Diary and her Facebook page. And I can say that she's really good makeup artist, not because I received a box from her or gifts from her, but then I stalked her Facebook account and I saw really amazing makeup that she made. So, ayan, please check her channel if you like makeup tutorial, reviews, unboxing, and more on with makeup. So please check her channel and don't forget to subscribe to my channel also if bago kayo sa aking channel. And later on, I will try the makeup. And disclaimer, hindi po ako makeup artist, hindi ako magaling sa makeup, but I do sometimes makeup. So ayan, ngayon wala akong makeup. Try natin later on and let's see ano ba ang aking magagawa. And as what you said, embrace your inner artist. Magiging artist ako ngayon. And without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Ito na yung box and let's open it. I'm so excited. So who doesn't want free makeups? No. Ayan, let's see. Open it, open it. I love makeups. Hindi ako magaling mag-makeup, pero I do sometimes makeup. Ayan! So, look inside. Ayan. Meron pa siyang pa-card. May pa-card pa sa ate. Ayan. Party! Ang sabi niya dyan, hello, sis love Gerlie. Enjoy sa mga pre-love makeup that I sent you. Play with it and create something beautiful. Embrace your inner artist. Wow, that's really nice. Ami of Ami Fashion Diary. Ayan. That's really nice. Yes. Tama yung sinabi niya. Embrace your inner artist. So, ayan. And then later on, gagawin ko yung makeup. Ayan, meron siyang paper. And nakalagay siya sa bubble wraps. Wow! Wow! Free makeup! Who wants? Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang dami. Super dami. As in, super dami. I don't expect na ganito karami siya. As in, talaga. So, iisahin ko. Pero hindi na in detail kasi nga, baka naman humaba ang video, di ba? Sa dami nito, grabe. Ayan. So, unang natanggap ko ay this one. Bussy Shop. These are new. I think these are all new makeups na nakalagay sa bags. Ayan. This is from Elf. Ayan. And ang dami, as in ang dami, as in ang dami, super dami. Hindi pa niya nagagamit. Ayan, yung essence na eyeshadow, L'Oreal eyeshadow. And whoop! Lipstick, Jordana Modern Mate. Ayan. And Essence 3D eyeshadow. And another Elf eyeshadow. I really like the colors. Grabe. And Miss Wada. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's really a good brand. This new. Hindi pa niya nagagamit. And lipstick from Kiko Milano. You know, Kiko Milano is really a good brand also. And which really new, ha? New pa siya. Oh, so nice. And another Elf lipstick. Dark color naman siya. It's really nice. And another Elf blush on. And this false eyelashes. Ang dami. Grabe. Hindi ko na masabi yung mga makeup na yan. This is makeup. Again, another eyeshadow. I like the colors. Maganda in any color, type of color. Ayan. And this one is sleek. Ayan. This is Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, this is really nice colors. You see? This is more on colorful colors. And another eyeshadow palette. And this is from what brand? BH Cosmetic. Ayan. This is the Bake Eyeshadow Palette. Wow. Wow! I really like it. Ang color niya is more on like shimmery. And may mga dalawa lang natanggal, but it's okay. I can still use this. And another e.l.f. new lipstick. And lilac. Ayan. This is from BH. Oh, it's nice. This is a blush on and highlighter. e.l.f. And this is a under eye concealer highlighter. I really need this one because ang mata ko ay medyo maitim sa ilalim, and I'm really happy for this. Thank you, ate. And this one, Essence Blush On. Again, 20 stand. And another eyeshadows. And this is Jordan, made in USA. And another eyeshadow. Ang dami. Grabe. Oh, Sephora. This is a bit sayang. But it's okay. I can still use it. Sephora pa naman siya. Yan. I can still use this one. It's really nice. Medyo nabasag lang. So sad. But yeah. And this is Wet and Wild. And Freedom. This is, look, Helena Dutch. And this is a Pro Blush and Highlighter Palette. NYC Blush. Bronzing Powder. Woo! Ang dami. Another e.l.f. eyeshadow. e.l.f. And ano to? Another e.l.f. This is really nice. I'm so happy. I'm so happy sa lahat ng mga sined niya. And I cannot... Oh. Ayun. See? Ang ganda, diba? This is like a baked powder. Sparkling goodies. And what more? BH Cosmetic. Ayan. This is a Blooming Radiance. Oh, baked powder. I really like this. Wow. And another e.l.f. new lip gloss. This is a concealer, contains vitamin E. Another e.l.f. lipstick. And another lipstick. Wow. I like the color of this one. Mamaya try natin. And this one, another e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. And more. And see, wow. And this one, pencil brush. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang pencil. And this is the brush on the other side. I don't know if you can open it. Oh no, this is like that. And another, wow. This is concealer for the underneath of my eye bags. Ayan. And more. Grabe. Now, I got this Clarity Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And let's look inside what are the colors. Wow. And wow. It's really nice. I will try this also later. And another. And Morphe eyeshadow. And this is 35T. Oh, that's really nice. Wow, I really like it. Tingnan mo, ang daming colors, hindi niya pa nagamit lahat. And some of these, hindi pa niya na-swatch. Only few of these are swatched. But yeah, I can still use it. And yeah, Papa Fraka. And then this one is another BH Cosmetic 32 color palette lip gloss. Still new. Meron pa siyang plastic cover. Last one. Etong grabe! Meron na. Kumpleto na ako. Costal Sense. Ano nasa loob niya ay brushes. Makeup brushes. Really, really nice. They are soft. And there's two missing. But it's okay. Mag-inarte pa ako, besh. Ayan. Ito ang highlighter. Brush. And see? It's really nice. I'm really happy for all the makeup that I received from her. And later on naman, ay papakita ko kung ano yung makeup na nagawa ko. Makeup na ginawa ko sa na-receive ko na makeup from Ate Ami Fashion Diary. So this will be my like daily makeup na isusuot ko. I'm not really that artistic, see? It's very simple, very daily makeup lang. So it's look natural still. So hope you like this video, guys, and please check her channel and don't forget to subscribe sa aking channel and subscribe na rin sa kanyang channel. Bye-bye!